Hey guys, got a 2022 plate BMW iX3 here. I'm just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, we're going to make sure your ignition or your engine is turned on. Then come to the screen in the center of the dash. And then from here, you want to press on the time, top right hand corner. So you can have it on automatic time setting, so it does it for you. Or if you do need to change it manually, untick the box and then click on the time, adjust it to what you need, AM, PM as well, and then press OK. You have your time format, 12-hour or 24-hour clock. And then you have your date, same again, change it to what you need and press OK to save. And then lastly, you have your date format.